Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learners Academy. I'm Dr. Rishi and today we are going to talk about Fibonacci series. Before we get started, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are updated with our latest content.
Now let us jump into Fibonacci series. So what exactly is Fibonacci series?
Well, it is a sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of the preceding two numbers. It usually starts with 0, so you'd have it as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, so on and so forth.
You might be wondering why this series is so special. So let's explore.
The Fibonacci series was introduced to the Western world by the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci in his book Liber Abaci in 1202. However, the sequence had been previously described in Indian mathematics. It's fascinating how this seemingly simple sequence has deep roots in various cultures. Now, let's talk about some interesting mathematical properties of the Fibonacci series. One of the most mind-blowing aspects is its connection to the golden ratio. The ratio of consecutive Fibonacci numbers approaches the golden ratio, which is approximately 1.618. This ratio can be found in nature, art, and architecture, creating aesthetically pleasing design.
The Fibonacci series isn't just a mathematical curiosity. It has practical applications too. From computer sciences to financial markets, the Fibonacci sequence plays a crucial role in computer algorithms. It's used to optimize problems and dynamic programming. Traders often use Fibonacci retracement levels in technical analysis to predict potential support and resistance levels in financial market.
Another important aspect of the Fibonacci series is the Fibonacci Spiral. Before we go ahead, let us see what this Fibonacci Spiral is. If you construct a series of squares with lengths equal to the Fibonacci numbers and trace a line through the diagonals of each square, it forms a Fibonacci spiral. We see these spirals in various places. For example, first I would like to show you the first place where we can see the Fibonacci spiral is a human ear. This is how we can trace the Fibonacci spiral on a human ear. Other places that we can see it is in a seashell, in a hurricane, in a chamomile flower, even the galaxies. Now you can understand how important this pattern is. Also, this Fibonacci series can be seen in various places, like for instance, the growing branches of a tree. If you observe it closely, this is how the tree branches would look. If we go ahead and count the branches, they are going to be in the form of Fibonacci series. The human hand, if we consider the index finger of human hand as shown in the figure, it also follows Fibonacci series.
There you have it, folks, the fascinating world of Fibonacci series.
Whether you are a math enthusiast or a nature lover, or just curious about the wonders of the world, Fibonacci series is sure to capture your imagination. We've made this video because we have celebrated the Fibonacci day yesterday. The date yesterday, if written in month, day format, would be 1123, which are the first 4 digits of the Fibonacci series. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy exploring. Thanks for joining us on the Learners Academy. If you have any suggestions for future topics or questions about Fibonacci series, leave them in the comment box. Stay curious and I will see you in the next video.